What is happening?
Madam, I don't know. I don't try everything I go try. It ain't no degree work. But from what I suspect, where do this motor? Water enter radiator. From radiator now, it can't enter mediator. Hey! From mediator now, the way water go back on now inside the alternator. So everything na to. That's why if I start, I'm going to do to. I start, I'm going to do to.
You know I have no knowledge of cars.
Yes.
Okay.
Make Africa. Let me try small again. Okay. Just hold on.
So, what? Maybe I should call my husband or something.
Okay. I think it's go better. When you call him, if you go come carry on, they go. Make I find mechanic fix her. Okay. Carry and they come back.
Hello, baby. Yes, the car got spoiled along the road, and I'm stuck with my friend. I want you to come and pick us up, right? You said?
Yeah! Okay.
He hung up the phone. He said he's very busy.
Oh, yes.
And that you should get a cab for us to go home.
Make I stop taxi for
yes,
make exactly. I chat.
Yes.
I'm gonna be a better person. Hey! Wow. Okay.
How? See. Oga, wait. Don't worry, ma call my boyfriend, bro. Child. If I call that, my boyfriend will see. Anywhere I call, I go answer. Me no get choice.
Yeah.
Yes.
You have a boyfriend around here?
Yes. Ma just call her. I call her now, so you go appear. You go appear like ghost.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
Hello, baby. Sweetheart. I beg what you did now. I just trying to hang my road. I beg. Yeah. Hey, go ahead, me out.
Okay.
Okay, baby. Thank you. Okay.
He's nice.
Power of woman. Since you don't use your womanhood power now. Okay. Well, thank you. My madam did me important too. This woman, they took care of me. Now nice women she be.
Woman.
Oh yeah, we will be there. Child. Auntie, friend, madam. This your boyfriend when una go take marry because I go like come your wedding look. Your wedding at least. Wedding in the
Na married man no. But this waist, this nyash, I take a jam. So anyway you waka come meet me back.
Married man.
Some married men can be so disappointing, honestly.
Hey.
Are you kidding me?
So the married man you call Tatana, baby, come up with them on that.
He go tell the wife say they go London, go Paris. Now my house is there, because I don't take this waist. This look at where. I don't take him KJ where no shaking. Hey! You don't hear me, man? No shaking. Where I get a much come, but you stick on land for this waist.
Hey, babe.
You see?
No, the waist is landed. Bonya land.
So marry me, no get head.
I want to sit down.
Madam, I beg. That's why they tell you for radiator conscience. Come. Maybe you just follow me now. I see they here now.
Okay. What?
Very good.
I can't for you. Okay.
What?
Who does that? Now, God, hey, wait. Who does that?
Hold on. So this is your girlfriend? Child. So you can actually come and pick your girlfriend, and I called you. I told you that I was stranded. And you shouted at me when you hung up the phone on me. Your girlfriend called you and you ran here. You told me you were busy.
So bad.
You told me you were busy and you hung up the phone on me. How could you? Yeah, so all the trips you have been making, UK, Paris, Dubai, so you're all in her house, her buttocks.
See what?
Maybe I can explain.
Fuck you! What does she have that I don't have?
Yeah!
What does she have that I don't have?
Hey!
It's not what you think.
After everything we've shared, everything.
Chai!
And you promised never to hurt me.
You what?
And you do this to me.
Who does that, baby? I'm
Chai!
sorry. It's not what
You do this to me. She's my friend.
Yes!
I can't stand.
Maybe I can explain.
Okay.
It's not what you think.
What do you want to explain it?
If you don't close your mouth now, Makachuku, tagaram tapu got in mini.
Hey! See what my waist costs, eh? See what my waist costs now, eh? Oh! Baby, my friend, I beg no vex, oh? I beg.
Oga, I don't know how to say this. Mana say, asokate zanya, ekburu nkata n'ishi gwa ya okwu. This time around, let me pull off my red cap so that you go see me as your fellow man. Forget about Chief Imo. Forget about Chief, village chief. Forget about an Igbo chief. Forget about a common driver who drives your wife around. What you did is wrong. Your family is supposed to be your number one. In everything any man is doing in this life, family is supposed to come first. You see this one what just happened here now? You don't try at all. Your family is supposed to be your number one priority. Your family is supposed to come first before any other person. We have friends outside. We have concubines outside. We have so many numerous fans outside. Yes, I agree. But in everything, your family should be number one. If at the end of time, you allow your family to be messed up, who will take care of you? This is the reason I keep advising people. I use this man of Nollywood as a Olu Jacob of Yoruba land. Olu Jacob is now aged. In done the old now. You see the way when your wife they take care of her. If to say abandon in family, that time where everybody they hail up, you be celebrity, you be this, you be star, you be awono, you be a kaika, you be a gogoro, then motor. He will not drive in family. Chupukamunya, chupumoya, children, others there anwai, others there katangwa. You go to weigh them. Now when he done the old, none of those side chicks will come take care of him. But his wife remains because he valued the wife from day one. And now they are taking care of him. That is the gain he gained from them. And that is what a family should be all about. And not all we see on social media. Every day, somebody will just walk away. This one will walk away. This one will chase his husband away. This one will chase his wife away. And you will remain with fans. When you don't lose and small, your fans will run away. And you will stand to suffer the fruit which you sow. Because that's let us be careful. Let us be careful of what we do. All those small things we do, we think it doesn't matter. It matters a lot. Family is number one. Value your family. Value your wife. If you see your friend's missed call and see your wife's missed call, first of all, call your wife back first. Do you know if there is anything she needs? If there is anything family wants, then afterwards, you can now call your friend back. That is how it should be. Marriage is for better, for worse. My family this, my family that. Those men who always talk about their family, they are not stupid. Now look at it, because what do you see in this thing that your wife doesn't have? Your wife is educated, your wife is classy, your wife gives you beautiful children at home. And you leave her for this thing. One of them have to go back to your wife and apologize to us. Yes.
Maybe it's not what you think. Who does that?
Exactly. Who does that? Who does that? At this beautiful time, give a family get when the devil will come your path, tell that the devil, who does that? Nonsense. Baby, baraya oh.